The power of the CPU, incorporated in the chipset of a device, is measured in these tests, offering results that obviously depend on the software and its optimization. So the benefits that result from the tests of the Apple A11 Bionic, or the Exynos 9810, are linked not only to the hardware but also to the iOS and Android operating systems, respectively. Be that as it may, the A11 exceeds 4,200 points in the single-core tests, compared to an Exynos 9810 that, for the first time, has beaten the 4,000 points, a barrier never before overcome by a chipset for Android devices. Although in the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 the performance of the Exynos 9810 should improve slightly, the truth is that these results of the performance tests correspond to the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which has more RAM than the standard version. That is precisely one of the reasons why performance tests give superior results. With it, Samsung has achieved the first Android phone and chipset that exceeds 4,000 points, getting closer to Apple's iPhone X.